Hi friends, Namaskara, Swagatam, Suswagatam, Jai Jinendra, Jai Shri Ram, Khemcho, Majama. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel Net Worth Riches. If you've gone through my previous videos, you know that this channel is all about increasing your net worth by giving you sustainable ways and templates to make, invest, and grow your money and have good decision making skills for sustainable happiness and peace. Today, we are going to speak about something contradictory. In the past videos, I've told you how you increase your net worth. Today, I'm going to speak about something that goes ahead and affects your net worth very drastically. It's a bimari that the youth, especially the youth who've just started working and the middle class of India have. This बीमारी is called लोगों को impress करने की बीमारी. Yes, this is the बीमारी that many of us middle class and the youth have. And this goes ahead and affects our net worth in a very drastic manner. Now, like in every videos, I give you examples. I'll give you an example in this video as well. Now there is a regular youth. He's done his studies well. He's done everything well in life. And now it's the time for him to start working. And he's got a great package. He's got a good job. He's got a great package. A package of 1 lakh rupees per month. So if you do a yearly calculation, he's earning around 12 lakh rupees per month. Before this, when he used to go to college and all, he used to only have 100 rupees in his pocket. But now he's directly got a package of 1 lakh rupees per month. Now 1 lakh rupees per month, now he's thinking he's directly become Ambani and Adani ka beta. So he's like, now I've got 1 lakh, wow, now I have to do something. Now I have to show everyone what kind of person I am. See, I'm doing so well in life. So then, I'm not even talking about the taxes and all that काट कुट के आता है. Let's for now take an example. That person is earning 1 lakh rupees per month. Now, since he has to show off, he'll go directly and buy a Wagoner and Desire. No, he'll not buy such small cars. He wants to directly buy a big Innova Krista. बड़ी गाड़ी लेनी है भाई साहब को. Innova Krista का ऑन रोड प्राइस है 30 लाख, फुल्ली लोडेड, टॉप मॉडल. अभी भाई साहब को वही गाड़ी चाहिए. छोटे गाड़ी से भी काम चल सकता था, लेकिन नहीं, भाई साहब को बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए 30 लाख. अभी 30 लाख तो भाई साहब के पास है नहीं अभी, तो अभी नौकरी लगी है, 30 लाख कैसे होंगे. अभी पहले महीने की पगार भी नहीं आई या 1-2 महीने की पगार आ चुकी है, लेट्स अस्यूम. सो ही गोज अहेड, गोज टू द बैंक. हिज क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री इज़ न्यू, सो द बैंक गिव्स हिम अ लोन. तुरंत से लोन दे देगी, बोलेगी ये लो 5 साल का लोन ले लो. कार लोन यू गेट एट 12% इंटरेस्ट. सो 12% फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years, 60,000 की EMI उसकी बुक हो चुकी है. नाउ दैट पर्सन इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. येस, आई हैव गॉट एन इनोवा क्रिस्टा एंड ही इज़ पेइंग हिज EMI 60,000 एंड उसकी लाइफ एकदम मस्त चल रही है, झिंगा लाला चल रही है. Now, I'm not even talking about the cost. So from the next month, there are certain fixed costs that are involved with the car. Now, every month he has to pay his EMI, he has to pay his insurance, he has to pay maintenance for the car, and not to catch the tolls and all that he has to pay everywhere as soon as he goes. But still he's happy. He's like, bhai, Innova Krista mil gayi, I'm very happy. Now there is a second person. He's also got a 1 lakh ka job. Now what he does instead, he goes ahead and he also doesn't have 30 lakhs, but he goes ahead and invests it in an under construction property from a good reputed builder, an affordable housing, say an affordable housing in Gurgaon, which you'll get for around 30 lakhs easily. So he goes and he invests in that. The money goes slowly over a period of time, over the next 5 years. So he's paying whatever salary he's getting every month, 1 lakh rupees, he's going ahead and paying that. And that also goes in installments, it goes in phases over the next 5 years. But the appreciation that he's getting is almost 10 to 15% per year. And once the property is ready, he will get a rental yield of 5% on his original investment of 30 lakhs. So if you see the example of the first person, he's brought his car. Now आपको भी पता है कि आप गाड़ी खरीदोगे तो सीधा शोरूम से बाहर निकलेगी तो उसकी वैल्यू सीधा 15-20% टूट जाती है. तो सीधा आप फ़ोटो खिंचा लो, वो रिबन वाली गाड़ी सीधा शोरूम के बाहर आएगी तो वो 30 लाख की गाड़ी सीधा 25 लाख हो जाती है. नाउ ओवर अ स्पैन ऑफ 5 years that car is now worth around 15 lakhs. But the example of the second gentleman that I gave, in 5 years his house has been ready. Now his 30 lakh house is worth 45 lakhs and he's getting a rental yield of 5% on the original 30 lakhs. So he's getting around 15,000 every month. So the first person, his net worth is only 15 lakhs right now, and the second person's net worth is 45 lakhs, plus he's having an asset that is producing income which is giving him 15,000 every month. वो 15,000 वो शेयर पे लगाए, बार में उड़ाए, जहाँ चाहिए उड़ाए. अरे वो एक दूसरी गाड़ी ही ले ले. He can do whatever he wants because now his net worth has already reached 45 lakhs and he's getting that additional income every month. So you see, if you compare these two examples, on one end, the first gentleman, his net worth is only 15 lakhs as of today, and as of today means 5 years down the line. And the second gentleman, his net worth is 45 lakhs with an asset that's producing 15,000 income per month. Now you tell me which is better. Would you like to be in the situation of the first gentleman or the second gentleman? Now I'm sure many of you will be saying, अरे भाई साहब ऐसे तो हम कभी गाड़ी नहीं खरीद पा रहे. अरे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ गाड़ी नहीं खरीदो. गाड़ी खरीदो, अपनी औकात के हिसाब से खरीदो, लोगों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए मत खरीदो. Buy a car as per your औकात and go ahead and do these simple calculations so that you can go ahead and take decisions much more wisely. Now that doesn't mean you don't have to buy an Innova Krista. Now say if you're a politician or if you're a film star. Now of course all the money that you get depends on your image. You cannot expect Kareena Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Shah Rukh Khan to come out in a Wagon-R. Of course, because their image is what gives them money. Or even if you've brought an Innova Krista, if you've gone ahead और उसको टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स पे लगा दिए, आप खुद चला रहे हो गाड़ी और टूर से जो पैसे अलग आ रहे हैं, और वो जो वैल्यू घटी है 30 लाख से 15 लाख, उसका भी आपने डेप्रिसिएशन आपके टैक्स में अलग से ले लिया है, then it's a different question. By all means go ahead and buy an Innova Krista. But if you're not earning any money from it, or it doesn't do anything to your image doesn't produce any income, then by all means buy a small car. You will be happy and your net worth also will be increasing as per that rate, because you know the goal of this channel is increasing your net worth. So if you can relate to this video, if you like this video, kindly go ahead and subscribe to my channel Net Worth Riches and smash the like button below. Also please press the notification buttons, because this will inform you as and when I've uploaded new videos. Because if we go ahead and we have this बीमारी और लोगों को impress करने की बीमारी, if we have, it takes a very drastic hit on your net worth. So please, next time you get this tool, please remember these two examples. And on a lighter note, भाई लोग बहन लोग, कृपया करके चैनल लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.